Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So in this video, let's see how to get the current date and current time in Excel. So there are two methods. First one is using a formula and the second one is using shortcut keys. You can use the formula today, press enter, and this will give you the current date. In order to get the current date and time, you can just use the formula now. And this will give you the current date along with the current time. Now there are shortcut keys as well. You can use control and semicolon. This will give you the current date, and to get the current time you can simply use control shift and semicolon. So this gives you the current time. Now in order to get the current date and time here, all you have to do is just press control semicolon, put a space, and then press control shift semicolon. So that's how it works. The only difference is when you actually close your sheet and reopen it, the one under column C, that is your formulas today and now, will update automatically, whereas the shortcut keys that you have used will not update automatically. You will have to update them accordingly. So I hope you liked this video. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you with another video next week.